All right, so in this video, I'm going to talk about smart agents, basically what they are, how they work, and show you a live example. So smart agents are effectively a workflow builder inside of Smartlead, and you can kind of create these AI agents inside the platform that automatically execute things. So you can see here, there are some templates here at the bottom that you can reference. So as an example, if I want to build a workflow whenever someone responds in a Smartlead campaign and it pushes it to HeyReach so I can connect with them on LinkedIn, I can use this template. I can use this template if I want to automatically get a block list, notification inside of Slack from Smartlead. You can also use all their million different integrations, see all the different use cases. So you can connect it to Airtable, you can connect to Apollo, Close, all kinds of different other platforms. You can see a lot of them are coming soon, and a lot of them are implemented. So you can see Slack, big one, Sheets, HeyReach, Google Drive. You can also see Airtable, Close, Apollo. These are all integrations that you can use. Now they have a bunch of templates. So if I want to use specific templates that they have inside the platform here, I can do this. Or if I want to build stuff from scratch, I can do it from here. So I can use natural language and just talk to it. So I want you to send me a Slack notification of my top performing campaign at the end of each day from all the campaigns inside of my Smartlead account. I can press start building, and the smart agent, being smart, will start to build this. Now you can see we can set the triggers, so I can do this either on a specific event or a schedule. So in this case, I'm probably going to want to do a schedule based. So maybe every 9 a.m. daily, and I can pick New York time zone. I can press this in, I can press proceed, and now it'll know that at 9 a.m. every single day, it will send me a Slack notification with the top performing campaign. So it's going to go ahead and build this. Now it's going to ask me some more questions, or it's going to talk. It's either going to ask me questions or it's going to reason. So as it's working through this, you're going to see it say it's thinking. And while we wait here, I will go back to the Smart Agents tab so you can so I can poke around a little bit more here. If you want to give any feedback, this is, I believe, a newer feature at the time of me recording this video. You can check this out, and you can configure all your stuff here. So if you have an agent kind of set up, you can take this on and off. You can also review your reply agents. So I talked about that in the master inbox module, but if you want to configure your reply agents, that's also done in this tab. Now you can see here, there are some additional questions to make sure I get this done. So what metric defines top performing? One, I'll say, just reply rate. Two, analyze, if I can spell analyze, which I can't, analyze just yesterday's, or I'll do analyze a 7-day rolling period. And then three, just the campaign and winning metric. And you can see here, these are actually very useful questions. I was very vague about what I wanted, and these are great questions to ask. So what is a top performing campaign? How often should we analyze it? Should we look at just yesterday's performance? Should we look at the last 30 days? It asks really relevant questions here. And then what information would you like inside the Slack notification? So what is the name? What is the metric? And then it just clarified it, and I can press build agent, and then it'll start building all the stuff out here, which is very nice for someone like me, again, who is not very technical. So it's going to complete the first step, next step, next step. We will wait here for a second as this works through. And just like that, it has the full configuration built out for you here. So starts when trigger. So whenever it is 9 o'clock in the morning in New York, it will then get the campaign data inside of Smartlead, so I can configure all this information here. And then it will send a Slack message. So it needs me to connect Slack, choose the channel, put the text, and I can save all this. And then when I'm done, I can run this and or deploy it. Now, again, for the sake of time and me not connecting 3 different API keys or 1 different API key and messing with this too much, all I have to do here after I have this all set up is deploy, and then I can go back and forth with the agent to configure this. Now, it prompts me here to configure Slack, which is really nice. It has a nice little tutorial here for people like me that aren't very smart. So I can click on this and watch the tutorial. Now, again, once the smart agent is completed and you like it, you can go over here into your agents tab and look at all the different agents. Now, since this isn't deployed, I'm not sure this is going to show up here. It actually will. Let's say I configured everything and I want to turn it on. I can tick this box. If I want to edit this, rename this, check the logs, clone it, or delete it, I can press any of these buttons. And just like that, you have a nice handy dandy automation that is running inside of your Smartlead instance. And so that is how you create a smart agent. That's how you use the workflows. And if you want to create one, all you have to do is go to SmartAgents and start typing away.